Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning various types of CSS list properties. So let's get started. Watch this video till the end. CSS lists. In HTML we have learned two main types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists. By using CSS property we can set different item markers, using CSS property list style type. Set image as a list item marker, using CSS property list style image. Add background colors to list items, using CSS property background. Let's see a quick demonstration. We will try different types of CSS property on the list items. First giving the background color. Then trying different style value of list style type. Then list style image both for ordered list and unordered list. Please comment your suggestions in this video and share with your friends. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.